Introducing US Spec's Transpatch Concrete, a polymer-modified, rapid-setting, rapid hardening saw-cut patch material, offering superior resistance for a wide variety of concrete repairs. Begin by ensuring all work surfaces are clean and free of any contaminants, such as dirt, oil, and grease. Additional surface preparation details can be found on the technical data sheet on the US Spec website. For best results mixing the concrete, use a mechanical mixer with rotating blades or a low-speed corded drill outfitted with a number 6 mixing paddle. Add 3 1/4 quarts of cool water, directly followed by the dry material. Mix for a total of 3 to 5 minutes until a nice, even mixture is achieved. Scrub coat some of the mixed components into the prepared surface while making sure to place the Transpatch concrete mix before the scrub coat is too dry. Place the mix consistently into a prepared saw cut area while avoiding any air entrapment. Apply the material against the edges of the repair while ensuring to work from the center out. Use the appropriate amount of concrete needed to achieve an even, leveled surface. Lastly, you may trowel, brush, or broom for your desired finish. In order to finish and cure, we recommend using a membrane-forming compound such as our US Spec Max Cure Wax White. Thank you for choosing US Spec, your grouting and patching experts. For more information, visit our website at usspec.com.